We start with this one. Cool as fuck out here. Let's go with this Anthem. Not much difference between the 7 and the 5s in duration. See if there are any colours. Greens, reds, blues. Nope. That's not bad. It's not good. It's not bad. Oh, that's decent. Oh yes, much better. You go for a little trooper. That was the best so far. Winter and autumn would say are the same. Oh no, it's good. Some purple. That's not bad, Dad. It's not bad at all. Right, we're on to the little spinners, so I'm gonna have to do these. Can't do them, you follow me? Can't do those on grass that won't spin. So that's all of the Anthem selection box. Both. So that's a little review of some of the products that are in the Anthem selection box. There's still a load left in this. Duration for these ones and these ones is pretty much the same. We're talking maybe 5-10 seconds. Not much difference with those. Some of the effects are actually quite good. That square one was actually kind of good. It's one of these ones now, but that was probably the most decent out of all of them. These little spinners are very good as well for such a tiny little thing. There's about, I think, 11 of those left. These strobes, I hate strobes. All it does is slightly blind you for a short period of time. So yeah, I didn't bother setting off any of those. Is it worth 30 euros for this selection box? Look, it's the only one that's available in Ireland, Republic of Ireland, not Northern Ireland. So would I get it for Halloween? Would I get it for New Year's? It's the only thing that's available. It's grand. Price point for selection boxes, it's about right. Some of the products that are in it are good. They're not great. It's not going to be anything like you'd find in most of the EU or the UK, but it's good. You know, it's better than nothing, that's for sure. And I'm pretty happy with this overall. So that's my review of the Brightstar Anthem selection box. Brightstar has some absolutely fantastic products in the UK and obviously all throughout Europe. So they have some of the best category F3 cakes, 1.3G fireworks, rockets, everything that I've ever seen. So the brand itself is absolutely sterling, very, very good. but this is as good as you can get and still abide by the laws in Ireland, the fucking draconian bloody laws in Ireland. It's as good as you're going to get. So that's it, finished.